Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how you can simply add guests into your Trello workspace. First, click right here on this share button and type the email address of your guests. Now, once your email address is typed, you can also leave them a little message, so join me in my workspace. If you leave them a message, you can simply change this, and this is actually crucial, to observer. Now, you notice that here is this premium badge, which says that you can set people to be observers, which means guests, if you have a premium of Trello. If you do, then simply click on share right here, and you should be able to invite them as guests. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.